Today we're going to be replacing the standard screen on a Lenovo E560 with a 1920 by 1080p screen purchased from laptopscreen.com. So to begin, we're going to start with removing the battery from the laptop. On this particular model, the E560, we've got two buttons on the bottom. We're going to flip both of those, pull the battery right out. With the battery off, we can move to the screen. Now this one, I've got mine loose a little bit already here on the corner. This replacement is very simple. This bezel just comes right out. You need to kind of grab it with your fingers or with some sort of prying tool and kind of clip it out, but it comes right out relatively easy. We'll start here at the top, and we're just going to grab it here from the inside and pull out. And you'll hear the clip. Careful not to break it. Don't force it, you want to be very careful. Try different angles. This bottom part is going to give you the most trouble. Just be patient, try not to break anything. Again, try different angles, see what works. Slowly but surely it'll start coming out. So with some persuasion, this front bezel piece finally came out. Now these two bottom parts right here are going to give you the most trouble. The easiest way to get those out is you get a screwdriver, place it right at the top part right here, and push inward. When you do that, you'll unclip these two clips and it'll just pop right out. So with this front bezel piece off now, we can go ahead and replace the screen. We've got 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to go ahead and take out those 4 screws. Careful not to lose them. Okay, with the 4 screws out, the screen will pop right out. Just have to find a good spot to pry it out from. There it is. Careful, as it's still connected on the back side here. To remove this connector, we're going to carefully peel off the tape and pull it out. So you're going to grab it carefully, try to pull off the tape. And that peels right off. With the tape off, gently pull out and it comes right out. there's a clip here. You want to make sure you pull that clip out. I missed that step, but when you do it, just make sure you pull that up, and it should come out a lot easier. We've got the standard screen out now. This is the full HD replacement purchased from laptopscreen.com. Carefully reconnect the video cable here. Once you've got it in, push the clip down to hold it, and then you can reposition the tape. That should be good there. Mount the screen back on the screw holes here. It's got a little notch you can clip it in, that way it'll hold the screen in place, and we will screw that in. Now with the 4 screws holding the screen down, we'll go ahead and reconnect the battery and power it on, make sure the screen works. And there you have it. Okay, so the screen looks good. Now that we know it works, we can go ahead and power the computer back off. At this point, we've got the new screen in there. Everything looks good. It's working beautifully. So the only thing left to do is replace the bezel. The bezel goes back in the front the way it came out. Simply clip it back in, and once the bezel is back in, you're done. So here we are with the finished product. Again, the Lenovo E560. We've got the old standard screen here, which is a 1366 by 768 resolution, and we've replaced it with the screen purchased from laptopscreen.com, which has a 1920 by 1080 resolution. As you can see, it's working beautifully. Looks much better. And once again, that was the replacement on the Lenovo E560. Thanks for watching.